In this video, I'll be giving you a full step-by-step tutorial on how you can start dropshipping for just $1. We'll be doing a full breakdown of Shopify dropshipping using TikTok organic, or in other words, no paid ads. And if you haven't already, be sure to download my 0 to 100K TikTok dropshipping guide. You'll find that link down below. As always, leave a like and subscribe for more. My name's Alex if you're new. Let's get right into the video. So I just started using this strategy for a product that I found 2 weeks ago, and you guys can already see without any paid ads, and I'm still on my trial period. Yesterday we generated $694.05 with this strategy. We go to the last 7 days right here. You guys can see we are doing over $3,700 a week, and I'm ready to scale that from the $500-600 a day we're at right now to $1,000-2,000 a day and so on using this strategy. We're starting to gain momentum with this brand, and I'm excited to see what Q4 holds for this brand, considering it's a purely organic brand that I was just messing around with using a product that I actually highlighted in my winning product notifications. You guys can sign up for that if you haven't already, but I always share the top performing products to start testing out on your Shopify dropshipping stores, many of which that I'm selling myself. All right, guys, go ahead and click that link that I have for you in the description below. It's gonna take you to this Shopify landing page right here. You guys can actually sign up for free with Shopify for your first 3 days. Then it's only $1 a month for your first 3 months with Shopify. And honestly, name any other business in history that you could start for just $1 a month and start making $500 a day, $1,000 a day, and so on with dropshipping. Shopify is by far the best platform out there. It's used by big brands like Gymshark, Kylie Cosmetics, Death Wish Coffee, Tesla. So many big names out there are using Shopify. It's by far the most advanced, the best platform, and very affordable, especially with this deal getting started. So once you guys sign up for that, we're gonna talk about product research. I'm gonna show you guys how to find winning products and source the best suppliers for those products. Then we're gonna talk about competitor research. We're gonna look at your competition for selling those products, what they're doing, what you guys can improve on to one-up them. And then we're gonna go over your content planning and posting and some best practices for your TikTok videos. If that sounds good to you, sign up for the Shopify link down below and let's get started. All right, so I'm gonna start off by showing you guys 3 different ways to find winning products for your dropshipping store. We're gonna start on my Nia. They're an ad spy tool that I use every single day. Then we're gonna move over to the AliExpress Dropshipping Center, and then we're just gonna flat out look on TikTok. So to get started with my Nia, click on the ad spy tool on the left-hand side. We're gonna click on TikTok ads. Since we're primarily going to be posting on TikTok to start, we don't really have an ad budget for Facebook or TikTok ads. That comes later. And since we're focused on purely organic marketing, we wanna find products that are already performing very well for other dropshippers on TikTok. So you guys can click some of these quick options down here that makes it very easy for you to get started with the dropshipping and e-commerce options. Or you guys can mess around with some of this advanced search criteria up here. For example, e-com type, I wanna find only Shopify stores. I'm gonna click on countries. I'm just going to select the top 4 markets being Australia, Canada, UK, and United States. I'm gonna leave all of the rest of this alone. So right now I'm only looking at top Shopify stores in the top 4 countries and the products that they're selling. So just scroll through some of these. You guys wanna focus on problem-solving products, attention-grabbing products, products that are just not sold in stores. They have that wow factor. Something that's gonna stop the user from scrolling when you start making content with it. So same idea with the AliExpress Dropshipping Center. It's gonna show you all the top performing products in each niche that you guys can select right here. So right here we have the best sellers selected. We can look at toys and hobbies, home and garden, electronics, automobiles, so many different categories and criteria up here to choose from. You guys can also select find products right here, and it's gonna show you all of the top performing products right now on AliExpress. We can mess around with some of this criteria right here. If you guys want products to ship directly from the United States, we can scroll down and select United States as the ship from option. We can make sure there is a video included in each listing so that we have video content to use for our TikToks. You guys can click submit. It's gonna show all of that criteria. You guys can actually sort it by pricing, the ratings, or the sales. We're gonna go by sales. So based on the criteria that we have right here, these are the top performing products for other dropshippers right now. You guys have probably seen this no pole harness in the past. It's a very, very saturated product, but it still seems to be performing pretty good for some of the top brands out there right now. You guys can just scroll through some of these lists and get an idea for what the top trends and the best selling products are on AliExpress. And if any of this catches your attention or you think you can make any good content around any of these products, just open them in new tabs and we'll go through all of them later. All right, the third way that I find trending products for my dropshipping store is just going directly on TikTok, looking up hashtags that are similar to hashtag TikTok made me buy it or Amazon finds, any of those hashtags that just highlight trending products you guys want to look at. But typically you guys want to do this on a phone instead of a computer because you have much better search criteria and filters on there. Like right now I'm looking at the top performing videos from January, from March, from May, from June. You guys only want to be looking at the top trends from within the last month or so, or you guys can even narrow it down week by week. So you guys want to go on your phone, type in hashtag TikTok made me buy it, click on the filters at the top, and you guys want to sort it by videos posted within the last month or within the last week. And then you guys want to sort it by likes so that you guys can see what the top liked videos are for each of these hashtags. You guys can spot trends that way. You guys can spot which products are performing better than others and really see what you guys can jump in on for these trends and start making content around yourself. All right, so once you guys find a product that catches your attention and matches all of your search criteria, let's talk about sourcing a reliable supplier on AliExpress. You guys want to only work with high quality, reliable suppliers right away, because if you guys are sending out poor quality products to your customers, you're going to have to deal with countless refunds, chargebacks, and disputes, all of that good stuff, and it is absolutely no fun. So make sure you only source high quality, reliable suppliers right away. So when you guys want to get started with this, just type in the name of your product on the AliExpress search bar right here at the top. I typed in no pull dog harness for the purpose of this video because we can't escape that product. It is everywhere. Literally everybody and their dog is trying to sell this product. Do I recommend jumping on this trend and trying to get in there yourself? Absolutely not. It is oversaturated and there are way too many people pushing this product right now. But since it's so popular and so oversaturated, it should be really easy to source a supplier for on AliExpress. So that's exactly what we're doing. So when you guys are ready, just type in the name of your product right here at the top. We're gonna look at some of the search criteria right here. I recommend clicking on 14-day delivery. You guys can guarantee 2-week shipping timeframes or less for each of these products. That's not the best shipping speed, but just to validate your product and make sure it resonates with your audience and can start generating sales for your store, 14 days is really all you need. We can start working with other suppliers down the line that can guarantee 3 to 7 day shipping speeds. But for right now, 14 days is all you need. We're gonna click on 4 stars and up. We wanna make sure we're selling high quality products on this platform. You guys don't wanna send out any products that have 1-star rating from other AliExpress shoppers, because if you guys send out junk to your customers, you're just gonna have to refund them later on. So to avoid that headache entirely, just make sure you only work with the top quality suppliers for each product that you're selling. Once you guys have your search criteria input on there, scroll through as many pages as you can, and we're gonna open a ton of different listings for our actual product in different tabs. And then we're gonna scroll through and compare all of them later on. We're gonna look at the best pricing, shipping speeds, supplier reviews, everything to do with all of that. And we're gonna narrow it down to say the top 3 to 5 suppliers. And then you're gonna message the ones that you have narrowed down. You're gonna ask them questions like, do you support drop shipping? What is the best shipping line that you guys can provide? What is the best pricing that you guys can provide? And do you guys have the ability to create VIP links for me? Because I want to do business with you long term. You guys have an MOQ for VIP links, all of that good stuff. You guys just want to know what the requirements are to work with each one of these suppliers. Some are more friendly than others. Some suppliers will just turn you down right away, say, no, we don't support drop shipping, blah, 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 whatever. You guys just want to make sure you form these relationships with your suppliers if you're going to be working with them long term. All right, let's move over to competition research. You guys can see what exactly your competitors are doing, how exactly they have their ads and their product pages set up, and what their overall strategy is so that you guys can look at it, analyze it, and see what improvements you can make for your own stores. You guys can see all the different listings that are being advertised on Google right here. Any listing that you see containing the exact product you want to sell, just make sure to open it in a different tab. We're gonna go through and compare all of them later. Same thing scrolling down here, you guys can see based on SEO, which are the top performing Shopify stores for this product. So make sure to open all of them in different tabs. And we're gonna compare all of their product pages later. We can also go over to TikTok, type in the product that you're selling, and look at all the different videos that are highlighting it, as well as some of the accounts. Like right here, we have Perfect Paws, And yeah, a ton of different brands right here selling this no pole dog harness. Just make sure you open all the different videos and accounts and different tabs so that we can go through and compare all of them later. You guys can also go on the Facebook ads library and just type in the name of your product, and you're gonna see all of the different accounts that are currently pushing this product for paid ads. So just compare all of these different product pages when you guys go to build your own Shopify store around your product. You guys can actually steal some of these images, some of these GIFs from other brands. Just make sure to take their logo off of them. But you guys can just see overall what all of these other brands are doing for this product. You can see a lot of these listings are very similar. A lot of them have high quality content. Like I said, you can just take and put it right on your own store. But these products, since they're already highly ranked, they know how to speak to their target audience. They know what copywriting and words to use, what kind of images to use, and how exactly to display their products. So make sure you guys take some of the best elements from each of these product pages and apply them to your own store. And just scroll through as many as you can to get as many ideas as you can. So this is the one from TikTok. We'll open this. And you guys can see this is the Perfect Paw store. And they're one of the top performers on TikTok. So make sure you guys scroll through all of these pages, take any content that you want from them, and see how they communicate their product to their audience so that you guys can make improvements and build out your own store. There's also Shopify apps that will let you just type in someone's URL from their store and copy everything. You just scroll through and make your own adjustments for your own branding. But I typically recommend just, making your own product page right off the bat and taking some of the best elements from each. Just make it visually appealing, use high quality images, and just make it overall really well branded around your store, and you guys are good to go. All right, now let's talk about actually planning and creating all of your TikTok content. Once you guys have found a product and set up a store around your product, you guys really don't need to go into too much detail building out your product page. Don't give it more than 2 to 3 hours of effort, because we're just validating the product and making sure that it can actually resonate with your TikTok audience before we move on to the scaling phase and all of that good stuff. So we can actually use ChatGPT to help assist with all of our content creation. You guys can say something along the lines of, I'm selling a no-pole dog harness on my Shopify dropshipping store. I need 30 days of TikTok content to post highlighting my product to generate sales. Keep it organic, engaging, persuasive, and give me different hooks, call to actions, and content ideas to test out. So ideally, you guys are gonna wanna order your product from Amazon and get it to you right away so that you guys can start creating content with it and testing it out. Or you guys can actually just go through and download other TikToks and AliExpress videos of your product and throw them together really well and create your content that way. But I typically recommend getting your product in hand, if you can, to start shooting all of your own content with. It'll get the ball rolling much faster. So ChatGPT will help you create all of your different content for each week. I recommend posting at least 3 videos a day while you're getting started. Make sure they're high quality videos, because quality is much better than quantity. It's better to post 1 high quality TikTok each week than posting 3 poor TikTok videos a day. It's just gonna hurt your engagement, and the algorithm will not promote your content. So make sure you guys focus on quality as well as quantity. If you guys can't post 3 high quality TikToks a day, then just do 1. And if you guys can't even do 1 a day, then just do 1 every few days. But I highly recommend getting as much content out there as you can to really start seeing what resonates with your audience, what performs better than others. And like I said, use ChatGPT to come up with all of these different ideas. It can help you come up with a content calendar for your TikTok brand so that you guys can start scheduling and posting all of your content ahead of time. But for your TikTok videos, you guys wanna make sure they always have a really good hook. You guys wanna make sure all of your videos are very engaging. You guys wanna switch the scenes, use high quality imagery, and just make it very engaging. Use trending sounds, and always use a really good call to action. It's not necessarily like, go buy yours now, but you guys can say, get it while you still can, or something more subtle than that. But just keep all those best practices in mind when you go to make your videos, and keep in mind, quality over quantity. I recommend posting 2 to 3 videos a day on your account, but if that sacrifices the quality of your videos, then just don't do it. Make sure you post 1 high quality video a day. You guys can find the time to work on that, and I guarantee you, if you start putting in the work, you guys will start seeing TikTok success. You now have everything you need to get started with dropshipping. Click that link down below and go start your new store. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, share with others, and subscribe for more. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.